welcome to Tool Tech Geek. I learned about some type of new tool from Klein, some kind of technology. These are sockets, but they have a little trick. Each of these pieces is equivalent to 4 sockets because they have a sort of retractable part in the middle. So you can use a smaller size with the small piece there, but if you have a larger nut, it will push it in, such as that each of these is 4 sizes. So I thought it was kind of intriguing, kind of clever. I don't know if this is the first time they do that, but never seen it before. So basically with the same tool, if you have a smaller fastener, you can go ahead and adjust it, tighten it, and then the same socket here, it pushes the small one in, so then it activates the larger one, and looks like it's pretty convenient because then you can work with 2 sizes at the same time, back and forth. And then these are also reversible, and then here you have more sizes. So in total here there will be 8 all these 8 sizes: 1/4 inch, 3/8, 5/16, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 9/16, and 11/16. All of that in this kind of small space. This could be something one can carry somewhat easily. It's not like pocket size or anything, but still it's pretty organized, because imagine having 8 sockets all separately. That will take more space or be harder to organize. It's kind of neatly in one thing. Before I got one where they have the reversible sockets, so each of these will have 2 sizes, but now they have 4 sizes. So it's a cool technology. Looks like they say it's like heavy duty, which that will be impressive. And so I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. Something very, very organized to carry. And then here you drive it with presumably with an impact driver, but I think I'm gonna use a little ratchet to do very small repairs. For example, one time I was fixing an air conditioning, and these type of sockets, they're good to open some of these sheet metal screws. So there you have it, technology of sockets from Klein Tools. Thank you for watching.